Okay, so what level of pain do you think you have right now?
Oh, probably about a 5 or 6.
Okay, and do you feel it when you flex or just all the time?
Yeah, no, not all the time. Depends on the weather.
So is it a 5 or 6 right now?
Yeah. on
Okay.
that side.
Let's give it a shot.
Okay.
Well, I'll try 2 different places, one here and then one on your tricep. Okay, and if you want to just tell me anything you are experiencing, that would be helpful. And if you want to try and cause it to hurt and see if it's different, that'd be helpful too. What do you think?
Yeah, it's going numb.
It's going numb.
Yep.
Is that different?
Yep.
Numb good or numb bad?
It's bad. It's good, I mean.
Well, that's cool. So you're losing the pain.
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome. I wonder if it feels better in a different spot or if it feels the same. What do you think?
Yeah.
What kind of pain rating would you give yourself now?
Probably about a 4.
So it went down.
Yeah.
Right on. Let's try just on your tricep, quick. We'll just put it right there, and we'll see if that has any difference in your feeling in your hand than putting it on your forearm. You want to try flexing again? See if, like this, and see if.
Oh, okay.
What do you think?
Yeah, pretty cool.
Pretty cool?
Yeah.
Is that better than on your forearm?
Yep.
What number pain do you think you'd have now?
Probably about a 2 or so.
Shut up! It went from a 5 to a 2.
Yeah.
Right on.
Right on.
Okay, so I'm just going to give you these and show you how to use them.
Folks, the Kailo patch works. My wife suffers from a lot of pain. She has chronic low back pain due to degenerative disc disease. She has stenosis in the L2, L3 discs, and it produces sharp nerve pain in her left buttock, her thigh, and her groin area. Likewise, she suffers periodically from bone-on-bone knee pain. We can't have surgery any longer to take care of these things because of medical conditions. In addition, we used to use the TENS. We can no longer use that because of her pacemaker. So when we saw the Kailo patch advertised on the internet and understood the nanotechnology, we thought that it could probably provide us some relief. So we ordered the patches. When they came in that day, she was suffering from moderate nerve pain in her thigh. So using the videos of placement on the internet, we placed it horizontally on her thigh and moved it slowly upward toward her buttocks region and onto the spine. It provided some relief, but not enough. But by the time we reached just above the L2, L3 discs, the pain subsided. It was great. A few days later, her knee pain was pretty bad. So again, we placed the patch horizontally just above the knee and moved it upward, receiving some relief, but not enough. So we read that sometimes it works on the back side of the leg. So again, we placed on the back side, moved it slowly upward. By the time we reached mid-thigh, the pain was gone. Again, tremendous success. Just recently, her low back pain was pretty intense. The gabapentin and the oxycodone was no longer holding the pain. So I placed the patch just above the T8 region. And the reason why we used the T8 is because from our orthopedic doctors we knew that's where most of the back nerves converge. So we placed it above there, and within minutes, her pain had subsided enough to where her pain pills were keeping it down. Now the Kailo patch isn't a cure-all. It will not take care of chronic, deep nerve pain or back pain or just any pain. But it will help it subside to where the pain meds will provide you some relief. For this reason, we suggest and we encourage people to buy the Kailo patch if you're suffering from any type of pain. Thank you.